what is up my beautiful people, and today we're back with another unboxing video. Now in this video I'll be unboxing the Hicober USB Type-C card reader, and this basically you're able to, it's like a converter to be honest. So you're able to plug in your SSD card, which not your SSD, your SD card, like your micro SD card. So for example, like this one right here, which normally goes into a drone or even a cell phone or so on, or even this one right here, which normally goes into a camera like a DSLR, like this one right here, or even a USB. I don't have any USB right now, but you know, the USB, the thumb drive thing, you can plug it in also. And this is the box right here. It comes in a pretty small box, and as I said, it has one SD card reader, one micro SD card reader, and a USB 2.0 Type A port. So that's pretty much it. That's pretty much what is on the box. So let's tear off this plastic right here. And again, if you guys have any unboxing knife down below that you want me to use, let me know. But for now, I'm using this box cutter. So let's take it apart real quick. Boom, boom, boom. So here's the box right there, and let's try to take it out. Pull that part there, and let's pull this part on this side also. And let's take it. So guys, that's pretty much it. You have the manual right there. It's a quick setup guide. So warning: do not expose the product to water or other liquid. Do not disassemble this device. Avoid storage in overheat or undercooling temperatures. And the features: you can simultaneously read and write on two cards, saving the effort of unplugging and replugging. Super speed data transfer with rates up to 5 Gbps, and they are fully powered via USB Type-C port. No additional power is required. It is a plug and play. No driver installation is required. And compatible devices is compatible with USB Type-C PCs, compatible with USB Type-C laptop, compatible with USB Type-C tablet, and compatible with OTG USB Type-C smartphone. So OTG USB Type-C tablet also. And here is a little top view. They give you what each product is. So this end right here is a USB Type-C. I'm gonna show you in a few. And so you have some troubleshooting. I'm guessing these are some common errors, so it tells you what is compatible with and all those stuff. And for stable connection, connected device should not exceed the combined current of 1500 milliamps. So accessories are usually rated as value. So mouse is 100 milliamps, camera 300 milliamps, keyboard 500 milliamps, or this 900 milliamps. So yeah, that's pretty much it guys. And after we get to go to this right here, so let's take it out like that, take this out like that. Right here you have the USB Type-C, which plugs in your computer, and you have the USB right there. You have the card reader right there. So I'm just gonna plug these stuff in here so you can see what exactly. So it doesn't tell you which way to turn it, but I'm just gonna try it. So let's try it this way. No, not that way. So I'm guessing it's this way. And for this one, I'm guessing it's this way, upside down also. Who knows? No, it's not that way. So it's actually this way. Wait, maybe this way is actually this way. I don't want to try to force it, because when I'm doing this, it feels like I'm forcing it. So I believe it's this way. So that is it right there. You plug in the two of them, and it's a plug and play, so you basically just plug it in and you should be fine. And you have the USB right here. I don't have a USB, but I'm just going to plug in like a USB cable. I don't have a thumb drive, but I'm going to plug in my USB cable right here, just so you guys see how it's plugged in. So plug it in right there, and yeah, so you plug this to your phone or whatever, and you're good to go. So as I said, it's a plug and play, and that should really make things much easier for you. One question though, why do they stop putting these on computers, like on laptop to be exact? Like whenever you buy a laptop, like back then, like maybe 10 years or 5 years ago, you would have this built in inside a laptop, like you have a port for it to go inside a laptop. I don't know why they stop. I know it's not every computer, but I know most computer you could have find one of these on it. I don't know why. I don't know if they think because everything is now cloud based and all those stuff. I don't know, I really don't know. But yeah, I got this on Amazon. I will leave a link down below so you guys can go check it out. Just so you know, that link is a affiliate link, so anything you purchase from that link will support this channel, and it's a really good way to support this channel. So I want to take the next few minutes or the next minute or so to talk to you guys. So let me know what kind of video you guys want to see me unbox more on this channel. Do you want to see more tech videos? What kind of tech? Like, try to be more specific as possible. So if you want me to unbox more technology stuff, try to leave, alright, say I want to see you unbox more keyboards, or I want to see you unbox more mouse, I want to see you unbox more monitors, or I want to see you unbox more SD card readers, or whatever it be. Just try to be specific. I will try to listen to you guys, and if majority of you guys are voting on one stuff, then I will go with the majority. If I see 1 and 2 stuff and I say, oh, I would really like to try that out, I'll also go ahead and try it out just because I like it. So it's all up to you guys on whatever I post on this channel, because at the end of the day, I'm doing this for you guys. So let me know what kind of tech or what kind of product you want to see unboxing this channel. Just so you know, give you a heads up, I want to unbox tech on this channel, but I know tech can be literally anything. Like a tech can be a thermostat, a tech can be a knife or something, but I think I'm gonna focus more on computer stuff, phone, gadgets and all those stuff. But let me know what you think in the comment section. Let me know what you want to see on in the comment section. But that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you reach this far in this video, comment down below and said yes, I reached this far, and I'll know you definitely watched the video. And also, if you reach this far, please consider giving this video a thumbs up because you definitely like my content, and please consider subscribing to this channel. Let's try to get to 5,000 subscribers. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I see you guys when I see you guys. Peace.